The Brennan Center for Justice, www.brennancenter.org, a nonpartisan law and policy institute, has been at the forefront of the battle against the controversial practice of policing for profit in the United States. Renowned for its commitment to safeguarding democracy, justice, and the rule of law, the Brennan Center has strategically deployed its expertise to challenge revenue-driven law enforcement practices, particularly civil asset forfeiture. This video delves into the Brennan Center's comprehensive efforts to end policing for profit and its role in shaping the landscape of criminal justice reform. Historical commitment to justice. Founded in 1995 at New York University School of Law, the Brennan Center for Justice draws inspiration from the legacy of Supreme Court Justice William J. Brennan Jr. The center's commitment to justice, fairness, and the protection of individual rights aligns seamlessly with its current efforts to combat policing for profit. This commitment provides a solid foundation for the organization's work in addressing the systemic issues within law enforcement. In-depth research and analysis. A hallmark of the Brennan Center's approach is its emphasis on in-depth research and analysis. In tackling policing for profit, the center has produced comprehensive studies and reports that delve into the nuances of civil asset forfeiture and its impact on individuals and communities. By providing evidence-based insights, the Brennan Center contributes to a well-informed public discourse and policy discussions on the need for reform. Litigation and legal advocacy. The Brennan Center actively engages in litigation and legal advocacy to challenge the constitutionality of policing for profit. By supporting legal challenges against civil asset forfeiture and other revenue-driven practices, the center seeks to establish legal precedents that protect individual rights and ensure due process. Its legal expertise is crucial in pushing back against overreach and arbitrary actions by law enforcement agencies. Policy reform recommendations. Recognizing the need for systemic change, the Brennan Center offers policy reform recommendations to lawmakers at the state and federal levels. These recommendations aim to address the flaws in current legal frameworks surrounding asset forfeiture and propose measures that enhance transparency, accountability, and fairness. By engaging with policymakers, the Brennan Center plays a vital role in shaping legislation that aligns with constitutional principles. Public awareness and education. Understanding the importance of public awareness in driving change, the Brennan Center actively engages in public outreach and education campaigns. Through media appearances, publications, and community forums, the center raises awareness about the consequences of policing for profit. By empowering individuals with knowledge about their rights, the Brennan Center contributes to building a groundswell of support for reform. Collaboration with advocacy groups. The Brennan Center collaborates with a network of advocacy groups, legal experts, and grassroots organizations to amplify its impact. Through these collaborations, the center leverages collective expertise and resources, fostering a united front against policing for profit. This collaborative approach enhances the effectiveness of the Brennan Center's advocacy efforts. The Brennan Center for Justice stands as a stalwart defender of constitutional principles in the fight against policing for profit. Through rigorous research, strategic litigation, policy advocacy, and public outreach, the center has demonstrated its commitment to dismantling revenue-driven law enforcement practices. As the Brennan Center continues to shape the narrative and advocate for policy changes, it reinforces the crucial role that legal and policy institutions play in defending individual liberties and promoting a justice system that aligns with the principles upon which the United States was founded. Learn more about the fight against policing for profit and other conscious conservative causes at www.conservativeconscious.blogspot.com.